In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam content file locked error in just a few simple steps. If you're a gamer, this might sound familiar, a pesky error occurring just when you're ready to enjoy your game. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through a straightforward process to resolve this issue efficiently. Let's get started by opening up your Steam application. Make sure you have your login details handy if you aren't logged in already. Once you've launched the app, click on the login option that appears prominently on the interface. You'll need to enter your account name and password in the respective fields. Double check these details to avoid being locked out due to repeated failed login attempts. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on Sign In. Now that you're on your Steam homepage, look towards the top left corner of the screen for the word Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, navigate to Settings. Within the Settings menu, find the Downloads tab. This is where we'll address a couple of common causes for the content file locked error. Once you're in the Download section, you'll see an option to clear download cache. Click on it. This action can resolve many minor software hiccups by clearing out temporary download files that might be corrupted or incomplete. Just a heads up, doing this will log you out of Steam, so be sure to have your login details handy again, just in case. The next step involves checking your download region settings. Still in the download section, locate the download region settings. Errors can occur if Steam is syncing downloads from a server far from your actual location. Change this to the nearest region available to you, which could potentially improve the download performance and stability. If you followed these steps and are still encountering the error, you might need to restart Steam. Simply close out of the application altogether and then relaunch it. If after restarting Steam the issue persists, try restarting your computer. Sometimes a fresh reboot can reset network configurations or clear system caches that are causing the problem. And there you have it, those are the steps to address the Steam content file locked error. Remember that troubleshooting can sometimes require a bit of patience, but by following these guided actions, you're equipped to tackle this common issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into your gaming experience smoothly.